stranded motorists, and they were just like running out of fuel on the highway. And I was like bringing them water and bringing them. There's like a command post in Alexander. It's pretty bad here. So I was bringing them food and stuff, and then night came and the blizzard re-intensified, and it was -20, and then wind chill was like -40, something crazy like that. And I actually spent the night in my car, and I ran out of fuel. I was running out of fuel, so I had to. What's happening here? Oh, it's like you got somebody stuck here. Hey, I think I might be stuck too. Hold on. Come on. It's a bad spot. This guy is walking the road, so. Story later. There we go. Of course, I was talking about getting stuck. There's no way I can help this guy. Bad spot, middle of the road here. I don't even know if I can help him. If I get out of my truck, it's super dangerous. Back up. I actually distanced myself from this guy. Hopefully we'll wow, this is really bad. Sorry folks, I was telling you a story, but I almost crashed into this guy because he's like in the middle of the road. Can't see him now. That's how bad it is. We're gonna stay here because there's somebody behind me. Where are we? This is Highway 7. This is closed, I think. Again, this is a north-south road. These are just awful right now. What I'm doing actually, why am I not helping? Because it's insanely dangerous. You can't see like 1 meter in front of you, so you can't be outside. What I'm doing is I'm just flashing all my lights, try and provide some visibility to this guy. There's no way he's getting out.
You cannot get up. Well, tell me, you back up. There's a snow blower behind me.
Oh, is there?
Yeah,
he can pull it out. Okay, good. I was trying to put my lights to make it visible because it's too dangerous for us to be out here, man. These winds too, the problem is that your brake lines, get frozen. There's a snowplow behind me, so I'm gonna let him do his thing here and try and get this guy out because he needs to be out of the road. gonna pull him out?
Yeah, I'm gonna back up, dude. You're gonna back up because he needs to make wider, right?
Yeah, let's go. Clearing a path. I thought he was going to pull him out. Surprise, surprise. Nope, he's going through it. Do you have any tow hooks?
Pardon?
Do you have any tow hooks?
No.
Oh, well I can't really pull you out then.
Yeah.
it's really dangerous for us to stay here, but I guess like if you don't, do you have anything to hook to the back or anything? Or I don't want to rip your transmission.
What do you mean by that?
Well, I have a chain, but I need something to hook it onto, right?
Yeah, I've never been stuck before. This is the first.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah. Shit. Do you have a shovel or anything?
I might, but again, like it's really dangerous for us to be in the middle of the road like this.
I know, I'm freaking out.
I mean,
if you want to hook a chain onto it, like I don't mind.
I mean, I can give you a ride into town if you want, but
yeah,
if you want.
Yeah.
I don't want to be in the middle of the road, like
yeah.
especially if I don't have anything visible to like. Oh, Highway 7 is open? Okay, gotcha. You live in Ripley or what?
King Card.
Oh gosh, yeah, there's no way you're making it there.
No?
Fuck no, man. It's like this the whole way. I mean, I can give you a ride in Ripley, but that's about it. I don't even know if we're allowed to be on this road. You left your hazards on, right?
No.
Oh fuck. No.
Or wait, I might actually stay. I don't think I can leave my car there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's fine.
I have no way of getting anywhere from Ripley.
Yeah, I know, like
I appreciate it though.
it just took me like 45 minutes to get to Kincardine from here, so there's no way I'm going back there. Yeah, in the future, like...
Yeah, I've never done this again.
Well, no, it's fine. I mean, you have all-wheel drive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just... If you don't have a tow hook, just get one installed. You can put a screw in the back, and then just have one of those screw-on ones.
Yeah.
And I could have pulled you out easily. It's just say if I hook up to your wheel and you're really stuck, I'm just gonna have your transmission or whatever.
Would it fuck up your car and push me? I just need a nudge to get past the
Yeah, there's no way, because I'm just gonna push you right into the thing, right?
Yeah.
Like if you were straighter, sure.
I really appreciate it, man. Thank you.
I'm sorry, dude.
Yeah.
Alright, well, you like call a tow truck or something, or?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
All
Would
right.
they come out here for this?
If the road's not closed, they'll come.
Okay.
Yeah, you're fine.
Alright, thank you.
Alright.
Do you know what road this is?
Highway 7.
Highway 7, thank you.
Yeah, and then you're just north of Ripley.
Pardon?
You're just north of Ripley, or Ripley, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, see ya.